I'm here to discuss my views on how to make your online classes, online videos more interesting. Now you would be wonder that as a teacher I am at home and what teaching aids can I use, because all the teaching aids that are there in the school. So what teaching aids can I use at home? But still you will find many teaching aids at your home. So remember just what shapes are there. You will find all shapes in home: round, sphere, cone, cylinder, all things are there in your kitchen. So you can just use those household things to show the shapes, colors. If you want to teach them the vitamins and calories, you can just show them the vegetables whatever available at your home. You can show them the condensation process. You can show the bottles from the fridge, the things from the fridge. They can observe the droplets on the surface of the things. So in that way you can use many things as an object, as a teaching object. Suppose you want to show them teach them some difference between the beneath and under, so you can just click a photograph like keeping some object on the table and below the table. Then in that way you can differentiate the difference between below and under and beneath. So you can make the arrangements of those things, or simply you can click a photographs of few of the things at your home and you can just tell them make some sentences basis on that pictures. So in that way there are many objects available at our home. If you want to teach say the topic metallic things or non-metallic things, you can collect the objects from the kitchen. You can just click the photographs, or you can lively on the video you can show them those metallic and non-metallic thing, and even you can ask them identify which are metallic and which are non-metallic things. And you can give them a task, the same task, they find out the shapes, find out the vitamin, or the different characteristics of different things. See, generally the main purpose of the subjects are that should be correlated with their day-to-day life. Now since they are at the home and they are doing their daily life activities, so you can correlate your subject to their daily life, their day-to-day activities. You are telling them a standard time and international time. You can tell them to observe the mobile there where various time zones are given. So in that way there are many things. You just look around and your subject is everywhere in your home. So find out the things which are possible to be shown in the videos. So if you are showing this kind of activity, if you are showing vegetables, student will find the vegetables at their home. They will even identify the vitamin E vegetable, vitamin B or vitamin C or vitamin D. In that way they can even classify the things. So things that you are showing, they are finding at their home. So what better things can be there? So they can, whenever they will see those objects, they will remember your words, and in that way the learning will happen in even informal way. So try to include various household things in your videos, so your videos will be more related to the students and learning will become more effective. Thank you.